What's up, citizens? It's Citizen Cav. Today, me and Citizen Rissa are going out to Ham's Orchard. I don't know if any of you ever been to a place called Bucky's, but it's amazing and a half. So we finally made it to Bucky's, our kind of first stop before we go over to Ham's Orchard. Citizen Rissa did a wonderful job driving us here. So just in case you guys don't know, this was pretty much just like a giant gas station, but as you can tell, like it's huge. Like it's so ridiculous how big this place is. And there's just a ton of people just coming to Bucky's to check it out. The things that they sell is lots of like beef jerky. The beef jerky is top notch, not gonna lie. They also have like candy and other things, nuts I guess, but they're really known for their beef jerky. Alright everyone, like Bucky's has the most clean and insanely large bathrooms in the entire world. And this is like more of the store or whatever, but like it's amazing and a half. This place is just insane. It's just like a gas station, but they're kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is downtown Terrell. I might be wrong, but if it is downtown Terrell, this is home of Jamie Foxx. Alright citizens, looks like we're finally here. It took so long to get here. But stopping by Bucky's kind of helped out a lot.
Your destination is on the right.
So basically, if you just want to come out here and pick some of the berries and some of the fruit, they'll allow you to. We didn't opt to do that. I don't know if there's like a price or anything or how much it costs to actually do so, but the fruits that they use or that they have here, they actually make ice cream out of. All that I've seen so far is peach and strawberry ice cream, but honestly those two are good enough to drive out here for. I don't know what other kind of fruit they have, but if one of you guys come out here, drop it in the comments below, let me know what they have out here. Alright guys, I have no clue what kind of berries these are. Part of me wants to try one. I was going to see if Citizen Rissa wanted to, but she told me no. If anyone knows what these are, go and let me know. Drop that in the comment section below too. Hey guys, so I know that this video was kind of short, but if you liked it, go and drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Until I see you next week, don't forget to do good, be good, and feel good. I'll catch you later.